Hello and welcome to Solving SQL Problem 26. I have very cool problem for you today. We're gonna write a SQL query to get the series of seat number where they have 3 or more consecutive seats. Yeah, what I mean is we need to display the seat number where they have empty seats 3 in a row or more. Okay, for example, n, yeah, y, yeah, we have three y's here, meaning that we're gonna output 4 5 6. Moving on, we have 4 y's here. Their seat number is 8 9 6 11 12. 11, yeah, and here we are. Yeah, to recap, we need to display the seat number where they are empty. If there is 3 empty seats in a row, we're gonna display their number, 3 or more, of course. Yeah, you see here I solved this problem 2 ways. There is easy way and hard way. The hard way I used league window function. But there is another and better way and easy too. So feel free to try yourself. You can find the link to this Google Sheet in the description below. Then you can follow along. Now let's get our hands dirty. Alright, so this is our table. We have 2 columns, seat number and is empty. It is yes or no. Yes means that is empty. And we're gonna display the consecutive empty rows, which they have 3 or more empty seats in a row. So there is no need to keep the non-empty seats, right? This is why I'm gonna put a condition where is empty equals to y. All right. Now if we look here, we see the seat number is 2 here. Next is 4. So 4, there is 3 between them. Yeah, now that is not consecutive. Now we have 5, 6. Yeah, see, those numbers are in a row. Looking forward, those numbers too are in a row, but those are not. And we need to figure a way to distinguish those between the others. Yeah. So we need to find a way to display the same number here, and let's say we're gonna display 1 here, 2 here, and in here 3. I'm meaning those have the same seat number, right? In order to group them together. This is what we're looking to do. This way we don't have any way to group those, to group those 3 or to group those 4. Yeah, because they have a different seat number and all of them have y as empty seat. This is why I'm gonna use a creative way using window function row number. What I want to achieve is those having the same seat number. Same here. When I achieve this, I will be able to group them, right? Let me do this. First thing I'm gonna do is row number over Okay, notice here, if I do 2 minus 1 is 1. And here 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Yeah, notice now those three have the same number. And as for the others, they have a separate number. Let's see in here. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. So all the consecutive seat number will have the same, let's say, ID if I do seat number minus row number, right? So let me do that. Seat number minus this. All right. So now I have a way to group the consecutive rows because they have the same, let's say, Rn. The same row number here, Rn, this. And I'm gonna keep only the ones that have more than 3 consecutive. In this case, we have only 2, meaning that this seat numbers, they're gonna be excluded. Okay. All right. Let me put this into CTE. Select star from CTE. I need to know as a column to count the number of rows grouped by Rn column, right? I'm expecting to have 1 here, 3 here, 3, 3, 3, 4 here, and 2 here, since there is 4 rows that have 3. Yeah, I'm gonna group by this, and I'm gonna use window function to do that. I'm gonna count 1. I'm counting the number of rows over, I'm gonna group by partition by, or it will be computed by Rn. Okay. C here is displaying 3 for this consecutive rows, which is the number of rows here, and 4 for this, since they have 4 consecutive empty seats. Yeah, this is the column that I need. And you probably guessed it, I'm gonna keep only the rows where this count is greater or equal than 3. Okay, I'm gonna create another CTE. I want you're probably thinking of something. Why I don't use this on a where condition. Okay, let's try this. Where greater or equal than 3. See, the window functions are not allowed in the where condition. This is why I'm gonna put this in another CTE, right? Okay, let's no, let's do that. City E2 as select, and I'm gonna display only the seat number from CTE2 where count, I name it this column count, CNT greater or equal than 3. Alright, let's compare this with our expected output. Okay, if you look here, this is the expected output. If you look here, you will find that those three are consecutive, and same here. Okay, now we have it. I hope everything is clear and you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and see you in solving SQL problem 27.